let's hope, guys. For me, I'm hoping and I am seeing it. Maybe in the future, Roman will do something about his dear club. I'm telling you, he may come back in the future to take his child, because it wasn't sold in the right way. Yes, they forced him to sell it. So that even constitutional, that was wrong. How can I have my property? You force me to sell it. No, without my authorization. No. So for me, I'm hoping that in the future, in the near future, guys, Roman Abramovich will take his Chelsea back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, finally, our papa, our daddy, our father, Roman Abramovich has spoken. Roman Abramovich has spoken for the first time since he was being forceful, sanctioned to sell his dear Chelsea Football Club. Guys, I want to ask you this question. What is wrong with this world, guys? What is wrong with this world, ladies and gentlemen? In fact, the good people in this world are now suffering. If you are good in this world, or if you are a good person in this world, you will suffer. They will fight you. They will fight you and fight you. I don't know why, guys. What is wrong with this humble world, innocent world, that modern world we are living now? Good people are no more safe. And can all of us be bad people? No. Some people will be bad, some people will be good. But if you are good, you are now in problem. Ladies and gentlemen, what is wrong? Roman Abramovich, the best owner, the papa, in fact, the best owner in football history, not only Chelsea, across the globe. I never see owner like Roman Abramovich. He was not just an owner, he was a fan. He was a football fan. He was a Chelsea fan. Oh, papa, sorry. Roman Abramovich. Roman Abramovich. In fact, guys, since they forcefully let this man sold this club, up to now, Chelsea fans, we haven't get our two legs onto the ground. Up to now, we are called perish. We are not laughing stock. Because they sold our club to wrong owners. Because they sold our club to those who knows how to only buy stocks rather than managing football club, people emotion, people passion. Guys, Chelsea fans, we miss Roman Abramovich. We miss Papa Roman Abramovich, guys. In fact, Roman has spoken that he will come out with a book in the summer or during the summer called Sanction. That he will narrate, he will talk, he will analyze, he will reveal what happened from the selling point of Chelsea. They forced him to sell the club till it when they sold Chelsea. Guys, information came out that way. That Roman Abramovich will speak out with a book called Sanction. That book title will be called Sanction. During the summer, that book will come out. Yes, to talk about how everything started. The selling of Chelsea, maybe the Russia and the Ukraine something. Yes, it will. Can you even remember that they seized his passport before even the Ukraine and the Russia war started? Yes, he was not able to come to UK to see his dear Chelsea Football Club even before the sanction, even before the Ukraine and the Russian war started. I'm sorry for this man. I'm sorry for this good. I'm sorry for this innocent good man. That is why I said, what is happening? What is wrong with this humble world? Look at what is happening to our brother at Burkina Faso. Guys, look at what is happening. The guy is developing the nation, but they say, no, you are not practicing democracy. For that matter, we'll fight you and fight you till the end. I don't understand. Is it a must that someone must just practice democracy? As an African man, my grandfather did not know democracy. As an African man, my great-grandfather, they did not know democracy. But they were able to raise me, have a land for me. Yes, built an empire for me. So is it by force that someone must just have democracy before you believe in him or before he can develop? What is wrong with this world, ladies and gentlemen? What is wrong? Look at our papa, look at our owner. In fact, during the days of Roman Abramovich, Enzo Maresca cannot be Chelsea coach. These two sporting directors, they cannot be Chelsea sporting directors. I am telling you, ladies and gentlemen. See, whether you love or you hate Abramovich, you can't take away the credibility from him that he was a good person. You can't take away that credibility from him that he was a good owner. Even he was injecting money into Chelsea Football Club. He doesn't care about making profit in return. What he cares about was Chelsea winning mentality, Chelsea progressing, Chelsea moving forward. Guys, I don't understand. Later on, they forced this man to sell this our dear club. Now look at us. See now, Chelsea fans, we are even resting Nicola Jackson to some of our games in order for him to play for us in the Premier League. Yes. Conference League, how many times Nicola Jackson play conference? That is how Chelsea downgraded. That is how the level went down in Chelsea Football Club. Now, 19 years, 18 years, 20 years, 24 years players are now our best players. And now the players we should rest for them to give us results in the Premier League, in which it is not even working. It is not. See, let's hope, guys. For me, I'm hoping and I am seeing it. Maybe in the future, Roman will do something about his dear club. I'm telling you, he may come back in the future to take his child, because it wasn't sold in the right way. Yes, they forced him to sell it. So that even constitutional, that was wrong. How can I have my property? You force me to sell it. No. Without my authorization. No. So for me, I'm hoping that in the future, in the near future, guys, Roman Abramovich will take his Chelsea back. He will take his dear Chelsea back. Yes, because this man was known hiring best managers in the world to come and be Chelsea manager, buying best players, already made players, proven players all over the world to come and play for Chelsea. So that is why we were winners. Go and look at all our achievements. Just some short period of time, because of the way we were doing the signing, because of the way Chelsea was hiring managers, not inexperienced managers, to come and try Potter, Pochettino, now Enzo Maresca. No. And the Roman Abramovich, who is Potter to coach us? Who is Enzo Maresca to coach us? See, let's hope in the future this man come back. I will not say a lot. I know some people will not like what I'm saying, but that is the truth. Guys, we can't go away with the truth. We can't move away with it. That is the truth. This man is totally different from this our current owners. Roman is better. How many seasons they spend with us, these new owners? 2 to 3 to 4 seasons now. We saw that they don't have the knowledge of managing a football club. But look at Abramovich. When he bought Chelsea, see, before he bought Chelsea, there wasn't with the Chelsea owners. After he bought Chelsea, Chelsea now have all the fans around the world, across Africa, Europe, America, because he installed winning mentality. He brought in that winning mentality, that success, that achievement. So that is why all of us are here supporting Chelsea today. So imagine this American started Chelsea. Then nobody will be a Chelsea fan. Yes, they won't have. Chelsea will be a small club. Let's be honest. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Roman Abramovich has spoken that the book will come out called Sanction during the summer. And Chelsea is working harder and harder to sign Dean Hodgson from Bournemouth. As we are speaking now, yes, they are still deliberating between Chelsea and Bournemouth. Chelsea want to get the deal done even before the FIFA Club World Cup start, the tournament start, yes. And I can see the angle Chelsea is coming from, yes. Whether we make top 4 or we don't make top 4, still, they already signed him. If they can sign him before the FIFA Club tournament, it means that whether we make top 4 or we don't make top 4, already they get their player. Because if we wait, it may happen. Yes, the guy will now look at, okay, if we don't make top 4, for me, I'm hoping we make top 4. But assuming if we don't make top 4, he may change his mind. But the honest, I see the angle. They want to sign him before that decision comes. So guys, Chelsea is working harder and harder as we are speaking now to sign Dean Hodgson, the Spanish international, yes, the Bournemouth defender centre back, 19 years of age. Do you think he will be a better signing for us? He will be a better signing for Chelsea. I heard 15 million, yes, Chelsea will pay for him. Now they are in talks. And information saying that it seems things are working. It seems the guy wants to join Chelsea. Personal terms, I think there is some clarity. But we never know. Transfer, anything can happen. So we are waiting to see. But just to give you the latest information about that transfer, Chelsea is working hard to land Dean Hodgson even before the FIFA Club tournament. Let me hear from you under the comment section about this signing. And also, Kenechukwu Emeka on loan to Dortmund. Dortmund, they want to sign him permanent. Yes. So now they are also in talk with Chelsea. In fact, if Chelsea can lower the fee, they will sign him permanent, or even take him for another loan. Yes. And Chelsea was selling him 45 to 40 million. Yes. But during that time, Dortmund didn't want to pay that 40 to 45 million. So they want Chelsea to reduce the fee, maybe 30 or 35. I don't think they will even pay 30, maybe 25. In these German clubs and the Italian clubs, I understand the viewers, yes, they don't make money like the Premier League. Yes, so they don't pay huge fee for players. By the way, they want to sign Kenechukwu Emeka permanently. Yes, whether on loan again or permanent, but they want permanent. But if Chelsea will reduce the fee, yes. So guys, let me hear from you. And Kene leaving Chelsea, it will be good for his career. Yes, I support it because Charlie, Belgium Cole Palmer to play in the number 10 position, it will be hard. It will be hard. Getting the playing time will be hard for Kenny. So as a young player, and playing time is important as a young player. So it's good for him to go. And this season, he's doing well at Dortmund. And his loan to Dortmund, he's doing well. So why not? He should stay. Continue playing there. Yes. So many our Chelsea will work on them during the summer. Yes. All players, yes, leave on loan. Yes, Chelsea will work on them. So guys, that is the information for Kenechukwu Emeka loan deal to Dortmund also. They want to sign him permanently, but they want Chelsea to reduce the fee. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all this. Yes. And we gave you another video, I am my Chelsea brother, about Chelsea defense, about Chelsea, our goalkeeping situation, and we have a playlist for all the videos we gave you so far. So please, you can just go under, yes, of this channel. You see a playlist called Let's Talk Chelsea Podcast. You see all the videos there. Please, you can enjoy them. You can watch all the videos. We analyze, deliberate, talk important things about our defense, about our goalkeeping, about our striking. Yes, and more videos are coming on this channel about Chelsea Football Club. And maybe the coming Champions League will deliberate on that also. So please turn on the notification bell. If any video arrive on this channel, you will be the first person to see it. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. And one of our podcast videos is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Take care. Peace.